What's up, fam? It's the Country CEO. I know y'all be like, man, he hadn't posted nothing. Oh, it's been hectic. It's been a hectic week. I tell you. Welcome back to the channel, subscribers, family, and friends. Should I spend all day Monday just trying to catch up, running around? Yesterday, we're in the process of moving into the headquarters, so that's what's been going on. I'll be able to show you guys that here shortly. We're getting ready to try to actually move everything up there. We got about 75% of it up there. So that's what's been going on. But anyway, running behind a truck this morning. I had a doctor's appointment and then get a call, driver to blow 2 tires, blowed 1. And then a lot of time when you got to load, this is game, you got to load on you and you're trying to get to a safe spot, it'll blow the other tire. So I got 2 blown tires. And then he sent me the picture. Ain't nothing, the truck is on rim. Neither tire's on the truck. So I'm running around. I got the tire company going out there, but I thought about it. They told them to bring an extra rim just in case, because if you rolled on that rim any length of time with a load, it could possibly destroy that rim. And so I just come over to one of the places to see if they had one, a used one. I normally buy some used ones. They didn't have one, but another place I know does. So I'm going to get a used aluminum wheel to take out there. That'll make 2, because I got a feeling it may need just more than 1. And so here's the game this morning with that is that keep you some aluminum wheels. People all talk about tires all the time, but keep you some wheels, extra wheel or 2 around the place anyway, because sometimes these guys will have a flat and that tire explodes or unravels. You riding on rim and they got to get to a safe spot. You can flatten that rim out, right? And so that's some practical game for you right there. We still rocking and rolling. We're off to a good week this week. Trucks worked every day. This is our time. This is our time. This is what dump truckers live for. 100-degree heat down here in South Louisiana. The humidity makes it feel like it's 110, but this is our time. But also, one thing to take notice of with this heat, your trucks these trucks are operating under extreme pressure. So you got to keep them greased. I got all mine greased the weekend. You got to keep that oil changed because, man, look, down here in Louisiana with this kind of heat, these trucks are under a lot of stress and a lot of pressure. And so you want to make sure you're doing your part to keep your equipment up to par, operating, especially in these kind of conditions. No different than the guys up north, East Coast, that you guys deal with that extreme cold in the winter, and you have to make precautions. But this is really for us, what we have to make extreme precautions for is this doggone heat. So I'm just trying to stay on top of that. And this is sometimes the kind of stuff you got to deal with, tire issues. I don't know why this tire did this. I can get over here, take a look just to try to figure it out, what happened with this tire. Cause that's kind of strange. Plenty of rubber on it, everything. So it's just like it just disintegrated. So that's some game for you. This is our time. So we're trying to hit stride here. August, September, October, November. We normally roll all the way to Christmas. For you newcomers to the channel, we normally roll all the way to Christmas. This is our time. All right. So be getting ready to do some lives with you guys and catch up. It's just been hectic. But it's going to slow down here in a minute for me once I get the headquarters set up. So bear with me, guys. I'm coming. Like Prime say, we coming. All right, we coming back to give you guys some more express game. But I thought I'd drop in on y'all and give up some game this morning. Y'all be breezy. Take it easy. Keep on trucking. Country CEO. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. I'm out of here. I'm gone.